Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to passcode Lock Photos app on iPhone. So if you want to passcode your Photos app on your iPhone instead of using Face ID, so that each time you open the Photos app, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, before you can passcode your Photos app with Lock, you first need to make sure you disable Face ID. So if you set Face ID to lock the Photos app or passcode, and each time your iPhone recognizes your Face ID, it's going to unlock the Photos app. So to start with, you need to turn off or disable Face ID. So go ahead and open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, locate and click on Face ID and Passcode. Then type in your iPhone passcode. Scroll down the page, click on Reset Face ID. Then once you reset Face ID, this is going to remove Face ID from your iPhone. Then again, hit the back button and go back to the app menu. On the app menu, locate the Photos app, press and hold it. Then it should say require passcode. Then go ahead and click on that. Then once you press require passcode, go ahead and click on require passcode again. Then type in your iPhone passcode. Then it should say port access, app with photo access, all of this. Click on OK, done. Then once you hit the no button, go ahead and open the Photos app. Then you'll be prompted to enter your iPhone passcode. So whether your iPhone recognizes your Face ID or not, your iPhone will not be able to unlock the Photos app until you type in your iPhone passcode. You see that? So that is basically how to passcode Lock Photos app on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.